Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to merge folders in your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Let us assume that we have three folders named 1, 2, and 3. Now, the first case is that the names of these folders are different, like the name of this folder is 1 and the name of this folder is 2. I could have simply pulled this folder towards this one, but this is not the right way to do it. Open the folder, click on any file, press Ctrl plus A to select all the files, and then press Ctrl plus C to copy these files. Now go to the folder where you need to merge them, paste them here. It will give you three options: either replace the files which have the same name in the destination, skip this file and compare info for both the files. I would simply replace it, but you can choose accordingly. Now the second case is when you wish to merge the same named folders into another folder. For example, I have a folder named 2. I need to bring it to folder named 3. And then I have another folder named 2 in another location and I need to bring it to the same place. This cannot be done since you cannot have two folders with the same name in the same main folder. For example, if I try to create another folder named 2 in this folder, then it will simply pick up the name 2 with the apostrophe 1. So that is why we cannot create two folders with the same name in the same folder. In this case, all we can do is that we can copy the contents in the same manner, copy them, and then paste it in this folder, and similarly for other folders. So basically the principle is the same. You have to copy and paste the files within, and after that you have to check the option to replace, skip, or compare the information. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.